Lefty?
I wanna buy some radio ad time.
Are you fucking crazy? We are closed. Off the air till tomorrow. You'll have to just come back.
No, but yeah, but whoa. So this is Radioland, huh? The infinite eternal, the waves through the ether fuzz roll on forever. Roar! Can't close that. Hi, I know what you're thinking. This is weird, huh? But I can handle it. You know? You're my fave. Me and Bubba, my little brother, we listen to you every night. Music is my life. You know, you're my fave, but I get too embarrassed to phone in my request. It's too disembodied, you know. But now that we're here in flesh and blood, I could maybe make a request and it'd still count, huh?
Sure. Hmm?
Well, what about Iron Butterfly? You know, like In a Vida de Gata, baby. Oh, it's heavy. You know, I've never been to a radio station before. Do you think you could do me a tour, huh?
Tour? Tour. Sure. Sure. But seriously quick. And it ends at the exit sign.
Oh, boy. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, your tour. Here's your tour. Here's your tour. Here's a lamp.
Yeah, lamp.
Here's typewriter.
Ooh.
Rubber man.
Rubber man. I like him.
Armadillo.
Oh.
Here's Mr. Shark.
Oh, Mr. Shark.
Here's some flowers. Rolodex. Here's a lamp.
Oh.
And there's the exit sign. Tour's over.
E-X-I-T. Exit.
Good night.
Oh, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Hey, what about my request? You know, that Lefty request record that you honked out today? I love that. Let's see. What was it anyway? The Rambo 3 soundtrack? Gonna play it again? Sure would like it. Hey, maybe I could get a copy. And you could autograph it to a far out fan. What's in here?
Record vault.
Oh, where you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music's in there. Ow, not me, man! Get the girl! Get the girl! what you did to my Sonny Bono wig do. Oh, God damn, I can't believe it. You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover. You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover, Leatherface. Oh. Oh, he's gonna send me back to the VA hospital with his dent in my plate. Well, at least you didn't mess me up.